back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. As we all know that the bottom wear trend has changed a lot in past few years. Back in the days, so I'm a 90s kid, or back in the days my goal was to find the perfectly fitted skinny jeans. But now since we have moved from the skinny jeans towards this wide leg pants and trouser here I am in the quest of finding the most suitable wide leg pants and trouser for myself. For reference, I have a petite body type and my height is 5'3". So मैंने बहुत सारे ब्रांड इन द पास्ट ट्राई करे हैं और बहुत सारे टाइप के ट्राउजर्स ट्राई करे हैं, लेकिन जो मेरा कंसर्न उनके साथ रहता था वो थी उनकी लेंथ. मुझे बहुत सारे ट्राउजर्स को ऑल्टर कराना पड़ता था एंड लेट्स गेट रियल, इट्स अ पेन, इट्स एन एडिशनल पेन. सो मैं चाहती थी या तो वो ट्राउजर बहुत ही वर्थ इट हो सो दैट आई कैन टेक दैट पेन टू गेट इट ऑल्टर्ड. अनदर इशू विच आई फेस्ड विद द वाइड लेग पैंट्स एंड द ट्राउजर्स वर वो बहुत ज़्यादा बॉक्सी लगती थी मेरे ऊपर और बहुत ज़्यादा टफ टू स्टाइल भी हो जाता था. लाइक स्किनी जीन्स के साथ तो आप बस एक टी शर्ट डालो या शर्ट डालो, आपका काम बन रहा था. बट वाइड लेग पैंट के साथ यू हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल वाइल स्टाइलिंग इट बिकॉज इट कैन मेक यू लुक लाइक अ स्क्वायर एंड वो मेरे साथ बहुत ज़्यादा कंसर्न था. एंड मैं हील्स पहनती हूँ लेकिन मैं इतनी ज़्यादा हील्स नहीं पहनती हूँ लाइक डे टू डे लाइफ में, और मुझे कोई ऐसी वाइड लेग पैंट्स चाहिए थी जो हील्स के बिना भी अच्छी लगे एंड और वो इजीली मुझसे स्टाइल हो. इफ़ यू कैन रिलेट टू माई बॉडी टाइप, हियर आर माई 5 रिकमेंडेशन फॉर यू ऑल so that you don't have to waste any time. And if you're looking for wide leg pants or trousers, you can try one of them. So the first trouser in my list is this Zara trouser. So this is high waisted. ये बहुत ज़्यादा ही fitted है from your waist and then it goes straight at the bottom. इसको आप पेयर कर सकते हो shoes के साथ, heels के साथ, and this is what it looks. This is a high waist trouser and it fits at the waistline and then falls at the bottom. The length of this trouser is great too, so no alteration was required for my height. This is ideal for work and casual wear. They have pockets in them, but due to their stitching pattern, it was a bit difficult for me to find out. But really overall a great option to have, and it's really versatile. So the second trouser which is there in my list is this beautiful navy blue mango trouser. I think they have 2 colors option in them. One is in black color and one is in this navy blue which I have. ये flared trouser है. So this is how it looks on me. This trouser is mid-waist, fitted at the waistline till the knee and then it gets wider. Again, no alteration required. This is ideal for work as well as for the casual wear. A great option to have since it's a crop length. It makes it more versatile to pair it with heels as well as with shoes. Next up we have the most viral 2023 trouser. ये है Uniqlo से and I think इसके भी बहुत सारे colors available है. Really great trouser. ये सबसे ज़्यादा wide leg है 5 से in the slot और ये बहुत ज़्यादा like पूरा Gen Z vibe देता है. And the only concern जो मेरे को इसके साथ लगा, मुझे इसको alter कराना पड़ा. Yes. So this is how this one looks on me. This is pleated at the waist and fitted as well, and then it gets wider straight. Like I mentioned, it's slightly long for my height, so मुझे इसे alter कराना पड़ा था, but it went viral last year and I can understand the hype totally. It's totally worth it and it's a great option to have. Fourth option that I have is not a trouser but the wide leg jeans. I know wide leg jeans भी ढूंढना बहुत ज़्यादा मुश्किल है and this one I got it from Mango. इसमें भी बहुत सारे shades available है. I think 5 or 6 are there but I opted for this neutral blue color जो सबके साथ चला जाता है. This is how this pair of jeans looks on me. Again, great option for a wide leg jeans. It falls straight and it's very comfortable. The length looks really good. I pair it with the heels and with shoes as well. It's slightly longer. I mean, it touches the ground, but I don't mind that. If you are looking for a jeans that is very versatile and perfectly fits your body, I think you might want to check this one. not the least, we have this black trouser from Zara. ये फ्लेयर ट्राउजर है एंड ये क्रॉप्ड है, सो आपके मतलब मेरे हाइट के हिसाब से ये एंकल लेंथ तक मुझे आती है एंड दिस इज व्हाट इट लुक्स लाइक ऑन मी. This trouser is also high waist trouser, and like I mentioned, the length is till my ankle, making it very wearable with any footwear. It's flary, it's very comfortable, really looks good with everything. Definitely to check, highly recommended. That's all I had for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. If you want to see such content in the future, please subscribe to my channel and I'll bye. Take care.